In this tutorial we will see how to work with blueprint reporting. At the end of this video you will be able to create a report like this. Blueprint reporting is available only in 2D, so we must switch to it and look at the work plane. Now every feature will be projected to work plane. In the list of features now we have only the 2D features available. Let's start to measure some features. When the measurement process is completed, you can switch to the Blueprint Report area through the Blueprint button on the Measuring Port options. Here you can see all measured features projected in 2D work plane. For a better look, you can use the extension mode and connect features. Choose the first feature and decide which handle will be extended with the green point. Then choose the second feature and they will be connected. Tolerances can be added in the result window after picking a feature. We define the tolerance of the diameter, and it will be shown in the report. Dimensions between two features can be added through the Length and Angles option from the Report button. You can define dimension orientation, nominal value, and tolerances. When the dimension is created, you can adjust its position just by clicking it on the report. Press Confirm to add the length to the report. From the window, you can flip to Angle Evaluation. Tolerances can be used for more time. Open the Tolerance application window and select the tolerance to use, then pick features to evaluate. Now we can take a screenshot. Go to the Graphical Report area. Here you can add the screenshot to the report.